Hello everyone, we from Kaparthi Institute present you a small presentation on Kaparthi Institute and your preparation towards CAPF examination. We are very happy to announce that Yamagunu town in Kurnool district will soon be the hub of education for competitive examinations as Kaparthi Institute for Civil Services IAS coaching and Central Armed Police Force CAPF Assistant Commandant examination is here. We are the first institute established in Emignur with the aim to spread awareness among the youth about various opportunities available to them in government sector and fulfill the dreams of achieving them. We believe everyone is capable of doing big and we will assist you and guide you to do big. Most of the students want to be IAS, IPS, IFS, IFOS, etc. etc. But lack of dynamic and concept-oriented coaching centers, most of us give up on our dreams. High fee structure, short duration of classes force students to lose their target of achieving the desired job. Many of the institutes lack quality study material. Now, why choose us? Because we are one of the most dynamic and concept-oriented studies to help you understand and learn the best. Kaparthi Institute is providing civil services and CAPF Assistant Commandant coaching at a very reasonable price. We provide material which are recommended by IAS, IPS, IRS toppers which have in the past and in future would help enhance your knowledge and horizon. We will stand by you until you achieve your goal. Enroll once and be a part of us forever. Now coming to CAPF Assistant Commandant examination. Let's go through the gist of the examination. Most of the aspirants don't know about Central Armed Police Force Assistant Commandant examination, which is conducted by UPSC every year. CAPF Assistant Commandant is a Group 1 job, which is equivalent to a State Group 1 and next to IPS cadre in Central Government Uniformed Services. The exam structure and syllabus of CAPF Assistant Commandant is also very easy as compared to State Group 1 examination. One of the great things of CAPF examination is UPSC is releasing the notification every year and is conducting exam every year. So when compared to state government examination, which happens 2 years or 3 years once, this job is given every year and the results are declared without any delay and the joining is very soon. Finally, Kaparthi Institute is the best place for civil services and CAPF Assistant Commandant coaching in Kurnool district. I hope all the UPSC aspirants will take part in the path of Kaparthi Institute for success. Wish you all the very best. And this is the contact details. Please contact us for enrollment and any further queries. Thank you.